Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, it is the fourth day and last day on the road. Leaving Sydney, Nebraska now, headed to Saratoga. Just leaving the hotel, grabbed a couple snacks and heading over to get a Scottish breakfast here this morning. It takes a little finesse to get the trailer through the McDonald's drive-through, but no worries. Right over there in the parking lot of the Best Western, our 8-stall supercharger by Tesla. It's 150 kilowatts. Nice place to stay there also. All right, well, let's get on the interstate, head to Saratoga. This is the home of Cabela's. I think it's owned by forget the name of it now, but somebody owns Cabela's, and but this is where it was started here in Sydney, Nebraska. The sun's coming up behind us here, and this is Nebraska for a little while, and then we turn into Wyoming. Let's have a look around. Yeah, I've got my autopilot steering here. You know, a Scottish breakfast tastes the same no matter where you get it. It's pretty amazing. While it may not be the best food on the planet, however, it is consistently the same wherever you go. This Scottish breakfast here in Sydney, Nebraska is awesome. Let's have a look around here. I am west of Sydney, Interstate 80. Just coming into the city of Pine Bluff now, and that's right on the border of Nebraska and Wyoming. And we're officially in Wyoming here when I get to this sign coming up. They should make it a little lighter color, because if you blink once, bam, we're in Wyoming. Welcome to Wyoming. Here's the sign. Could be better if it's a little lighter, but hey, it looks good. All right, welcome to Wyoming, Pine Bluff, Wyoming. Let's have a look around. We're here in the city of Cheyenne. Just west of Cheyenne here, going down Interstate 80. It says crosswinds could be 60 plus miles an hour. I think we'll be fine. We're heavy enough here, we're low enough. This is generally a oil and coal state, but they make great use of wind power here to generate tons of electricity. Why not? They have a lot of winds here in Wyoming. It's pretty smart to do that. Let's have a look around. We have a huge headwind. 60 plus knots is what the sign said. I don't really think it's going to be that much, but it's okay. You can see now we're at 12.9 in the little shaded area in the lower left. The green area is less than our average. I think we're going to be taking a big hit in range here. I've got 168 miles. Laramie is in 35. I think I'll stop and get a little fuel in Laramie. I've got to go through and around Elk Mountain, and I'll use quite a bit of fuel that way. It's okay. We're all good. High-profile vehicles are asked not to go this way. While we're not high-profile, we're pretty heavy. Trailer's absolutely full. The back of the truck has, 500 pounds of crap in it, and the truck weighs in at about 8,000 pounds. So I think we're all right. We're just going to take it easy, though. We're heading down from Telegraph Peak and into the city of Laramie now. I think we'll get a little fuel and then head on. As we come down off the mountain, the wind coming from the southwest kind of funnels its way up right through the valley here, or the gorge, as you can hear it. Good thing is it's straight on from the front, which is fine. Helps slow us down a little bit. Don't have to use the brakes. Just coming into Laramie now. And it looks like the big Whitecap Mountain, maybe Elk Mountain out there. We're going to go up and around that. The snow-capped mountain over on the left is the Snowy Range, which we could drive over that, but I'm not. And then way over there is Elk Mountain. We're going to go around to the right of that by the end of those hills there. At least that's where we're heading now. I've arrived with 104 miles of range at 12.8 average. Let's have a look at the trip. 152 miles on this last tank. Boy, averaged at 10.2. Boy, that sucks. Let's reset this now, and we'll go ahead and fuel up here. Yep, 89 bucks, 15 gallons. Ouch. Let's go. We've got 289 miles of range. So let's go. If you drive an EV, you've probably come by Laramie, and if so, the supercharger's right there on the end of the Fairfield Inn there. Good place to go. Let's have a look around. I'm just northwest of Laramie now on Interstate 80. Let's have a look around. We're getting to the place where the wind is the worst, coming around Elk Mountain here. As you can hear, it's loud in the cab, but I've slowed down, so it's not a big deal. I think we're more or less have it off to our about 10 o'clock position here now, which is fine. The car and the truck are really heavy, so I'm not really feeling much effect with it. We've rounded the corner now, and there's Elk Mountain. And this pass is generally pretty windy, especially when it comes from the west. It's right now coming from the southwest, so we're kind of shadowed. We're kind of getting broadside breeze here from our left, but it seems just fine. Coming into the Platte Valley now. I'm off the interstate onto Highway 30 and head south here to Saratoga. I've arrived here in Saratoga with 178 miles of range and an average of 12.7. And if we look at the odometer, I've traveled 1,830.4 miles to get here. I averaged 12.7 average miles per gallon. It looks like 32 hours of driving. And 144.6 gallons of fuel. Wow. Pretty good trip all in all, but extremely expensive. It was a good trip today, and it wasn't very long at all, just 4 some hours. One fueling stop, so it worked out just fine. If you like these 4 videos, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like, and I would appreciate it also if you would subscribe. I've got a bunch of things going on while I'm here for the next few weeks, and then I'll be heading home. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.